This is the Bauer 12.5 amp SDS Max Type Pro Demolition Hammer Kit. Got it at Harbor Freight for $284.99. They also have it at Amazon. And on top is a set of Warrior 12-inch SDS Max Type masonry chisel bits. A set of 3. At Harbor Freight they were $47.99. But we're going to go ahead, get it out of the box, see what's included, what it does, and see if the fat guy goes to the hospital. More on that right after this. Okay, you got a tube of lube. That'll actually go on the bitch and also inside the demolition hammer itself. Yeah, it comes with a handle, of course. It's an instruction manual. Now, it does come with an Allen wrench to remove the cover so you can put the lube inside the actual demolition hammer. It also comes with a couple replacement brushes. Apparently, as you use it, the brushes inside wear out and they need replaced. So we're going to go ahead, get this open, and stick some lube in it. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and adjust the handle. I'm just kind of eyeballing where I want the handle, and you twist this little knob on it to tighten it up. Okay, we're going to be starting with the 3/4 inch flat chisel. We'll see how that works and then try another one. Now, please bear in mind, I never used one of these before and I really don't have any idea what I'm doing. I'm just going to go ahead, try it, and learn as I go. That's the best advice I can give you if you never used one before. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and give the 3-inch chisel a try. See what that does, then move on to the next one. And now we're going to go ahead and try the bull bit. Now this shaft, I worked on it for a couple of hours. I mainly just kept the bull bit in and kept chiseling away at it. I did get it stuck under the rebar because I didn't see the rebar until I actually hit it. But overall, I was quite pleased with the tool and the chisels. So altogether, I'm going to say a 4 out of 5. I'll have links down below. Do me a favor, click that subscribe button. And as always, thank you for watching.